So you have my EasyLink Singapore MRT card, EasyLink from Singapore, as you can see here. But I am not in Singapore, I'm in France. And I will show you how weak and suck these French ticket machines are. So this here is to put the card, this Simplicities, whatever this French card is. So I'll just put the EasyLink card. Let's see what happens. It's reading. And look now, the card is reading. Just wait 1 second. French machine is trying to read my Singapore card. Wait. Try to put it this way. And there we go. Suddenly the machine breaks down. You can actually shut down a French ticket machine. Look, hors service, which means it's out of service. Look, momentanément hors service. It's out of service. I destroyed the French ticket machine. I put it out of order thanks to my Singaporean EasyLink card. Singaporean EasyLink cards can destroy all French ticket machines. You see, it's broken. This is crazy, brother.